Dito kami sa ano, nagpi-fishing yung mga kasama namin.
Mira!
We are here. This is fishing time now. This is near Marina Mall. Wow, Mira, ganda naman ng Mira, oh. Hi, Mira, don't remove. Why you remove? See how it happened your hair now? Have you seen your hair now? So your hair is looking not good. Picturean ko pa si Nelson nag-ano. Here, hi, we are here now. So, yung mga kabataan, nagda-drive sila dito para kumuha lang ng picture. So, nagpipising kami. So, please, of course, Advin Corpuera. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Like and share. Don't mind?
No!
This YouTube.
No!
Okay. We are fishing here. Oh, ganda. So, in fishing, only one person here is fishing. Oo nga. Tuwing mag-ano fishing ka, dito ka lang talaga? Ganda nung view dito, oh. So, wala namang tao kasi kami lang nandito. Babantay, ano na naman here but I'm working. So, nag-duty din ako kasama yung bata. Hindi pa tapos yung building. You look at your hair now. Oh, where are you going? Wow. Hi, Mira. Come here. Yeah, look at your hair. Oh no, your hair. Oh no. Nako, napakawalan. Hindi pa siya tumae. This guy, little hapon na. Kasama ko yung bata kahit nandito ako, pero nagtatrabaho pa rin ako. Kasama ko yung nalagaan ko ng sila. Okay. Tali. Oh no, tingnan mo ito mga siguro mga 18, 17 ang mga ito. Oh!
Asan? Patingin!
Saan?